Here are 50 sentences using you seem. These phrases are useful for expressing observations or making empathetic comments during conversations. 1. You seem happy today. 2. You seem a bit tired. 3. You seem excited about the trip. 4. You seem worried about something. 5. You seem confident in your decision. 6. You seem unsure about the answer. 7. You seem really focused on your work. 8. You seem distracted this morning. 9. You seem thrilled with the results. 10. You seem a little nervous about the meeting. 11. You seem upset about what happened. 12. You seem calm despite the situation. 13. You seem so passionate about this topic. 14. You seem like you've been working out. 15. You seem to enjoy this kind of music. 16. You seem like a very creative person. 17. You seem a little stressed out lately. 18. You seem to have a lot on your plate. 19. You seem well prepared for the exam. 20. You seem like you're in a good mood today. 21. You seem to understand this concept well. 22. You seem more relaxed after the vacation. 23. You seem very knowledgeable about this subject. 24. You seem to be handling the pressure well. 25. You seem really enthusiastic about the project. 26. You seem like you've thought this through. 27. You seem to be enjoying the food. 28. You seem like a natural leader. 29. You seem to have a talent for solving problems. 30. You seem very kind and approachable. 31. You seem unsure about what to do next. 32. You seem eager to get started on this. 33. You seem like someone who loves adventure. 34. You seem curious about how it works. 35. You seem like you've been through a lot. 36. You seem genuinely interested in helping others. 37. You seem to have a great sense of humor. 38. You seem quite experienced in this field. 39. You seem to be enjoying yourself at the party. 40. You seem like you're in deep thought. 41. You seem determined to succeed. 42. You seem like you've already made up your mind. 43. You seem very proud of your accomplishments. 44. You seem to know exactly what you're doing. 45. You seem like you're ready to take on the challenge. 46. You seem really energetic today. 47. You seem to care deeply about this issue. 48. You seem like someone who values honesty. 49. You seem to be handling this with grace. 50. You seem genuinely happy with your choice.